What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the market overview. Yesterday, we said, is this a double top or a fake breakout? Well, I'll tell you this, it was not the double top. And it was not a fake breakout because we went Ripper Magoo. How are you today? Market just does not want to go down. If you play what's in front of you, you buy its supports and you sell into strength and you go home happy. All right. Pretty much that easy. But the market will run out of strength at some point, but don't try to call it top. Tops are the hardest thing to call in a bull trend like we have. So what are we going to do for tomorrow? Well, let's take a quick peek. What do we have on the docket for us? Really nothing. Mortgage applications, 7 a.m. That's like 2.5 hours for a market open. Have some building starts. Building permits and housing starts 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then that's really it. Some oil data an hour before markets open, but that really isn't going to do too much to us. Following day is Thursday. We will have jobless claims data. That will be something you want to keep an eye on. But as for tomorrow, let's zoom in a tad here. I kind of ES chart. Let's get right here. ES chart. This thing just wants to keep on climbing. As you can see, went right to our pretty much 4,600. I mean, we got about 5.5 points off that 4,600. Put some wicks up. Didn't close above that 45.88. So for tomorrow, right? For tomorrow, let's see if we can get through. It's really hard to be, obviously buying calls up in this area. If you have a little bit of bias at all, you really want to be buying the dip. So any dip that I will be looking for personally will definitely come in this 45, like 60 area. Call it right in here. Right? 45 up to 45, 60. That's an area I would look for, see if we get a bounce. If we just get a minor pullback, if we just get that minor pullback into this area tomorrow and keep on going, it could even come at 45.75 or play the break of 4,600, and you could target 46.20, 46.30 on the break of 4,600, 45.20, 46.20, 46.30 above there if we want to just keep on trucking along. If not, and we pull back, we need to get under 45.70. That will put us at 45.40, 45.25 under there, and 4,500 even down here. If we do finally get some sort of a pullback, it cannot happen. A real pullback cannot happen unless we get underneath 45.25, as we can see this double bottom right here. So just really depending on what goes on overnight. Tomorrow it's going to be all about this 45.75, 45.50, or 4,600. What we do at those areas, do we balance? Do we break out? Do we not? I have no idea. It's OPEX. Anything can happen. So just have 4,600, 45.75, 45.50 area marked on your charts, and you should be ready to go to trade around those levels. SPY chart here, going to be very similar, pretty much the same. Still have this gap on the daily. Seems like it's never going to get filled. But tomorrow, unless 448 goes, that's going to open up that 444 gap, right? I think the short trade could be underneath 448, 448.50, 448.50 can short it down another 4 points down to 444. Well, you'll take the bounce long, right? Well, you'll take the bounce long. Watch for this 452 though. 452, we get to kind of a multiple top in here. We had pretty much as we can see right here, we had a retest of it and then rip on up higher. So watch our 452.50 area for any bounce underneath there, right? Underneath there, 450, 448.50, 444 underneath there. If we break it whole, 454, call it 455. We got 457, 458, 460 above there. QQQ, what's going on? Tech world was lagging today, was lagging behind SPY, and then ended up having a great, fantastic, wonderful day. Right, what do we say? Can't really take the short trade unless we're under 378 on the Qs, which opens up 374, 372 on the Qs. Each one of those levels would be a bounce. Same thing's going to go today. Still have to get under we're now got to get under 380, then 378, then 374, 72 below there. If we keep on getting above 387, 389, right? 393, 396 above there. If we just keep on trending up, but watch any back test into this 382 area, this double top area. Watch for the back test into that area and run, or we can take off from 387 to the upside, target 390, 393, 396 above there. Watch 382, 380, 378, 374, 372. If you've listened enough, you know exactly what to do at each one of those levels. IWM, redheaded stepchild, has been the favorite child of the bunch, right to our levels. I mean, this chart has just really been respecting levels. Here's our old balance area. We've gotten above it. We did not even go back down and test it. So 189 was out of the realm, out in the cards, right? Went right back above 192. Got here to 193.50, broke it early in the day, ran right to 196. We've had those levels on for how long now? Flagged out all day, right below it here. So watch for our back test between 193.50 and 194. 193.50, 194. Watch for any back test in there to hold, to continue the long, or take out 196. Call it 196.50 now, but watch this take out that level. Target 199 above there. All right, guys, that's all I got. Not a lot of pre-market data. Jobless claims the day after. We do have two huge earnings tomorrow, Tesla and Netflix. I believe Netflix is tomorrow as well, so we could get some sideways action in Tesla and Netflix going into the close tomorrow and their respected earnings report. So, guys, of course, you got to wake up early, get your levels right, and not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.